this point, slow and easy is really the best for you, man. Alright guys, that's about as high as I'm going to take it on the brick. Yeah, that's that Walter Sorrels brick, and I'm not going to show you the other side because it's boring, you know, same old stuff all the time. This right here is going to be a very, I like it. That's that Pops Pro Cut right here. And I got it too thick, that's an eighth inch thick, so this is, man, I'm gonna have to call this more of a dang cleaver. What'll probably end up happening is I'll put my fog out on here and I'll walk it up, because I got a solid start right there, man. All right, man, I'll get back with y'all when I got something to show you. Hey guys, how y'all doing? We back at y'all. Look at here. For this right here, side about an inch and a quarter, I guess, something like that. This Sorrels brick is the perfect jig for the smaller ones. And I have a plunge line, well, not a plunge line, I'm fixing to make one, but for a straight drag across, this is a 7-inch blade on a chef's knife, and the grind is perfect. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but that little brick for a repeat design, especially on the smaller knives like that. Now I'm fixing to put my fog out on this and then walk it up a little bit, because this is 1/8 inch thick. I'm not liking that. It's too heavy, you know. It's more of a cleaver at this point than a chef's knife. So y'all come along and let's see if we can drop some weight off of this sucker. see my point? Getting a little bit thinner. I'll get back with y'all when I got something to show you. All right, guys. I guess it's long about 4:20 in the afternoon. We're gonna call it. I learned a lot grinding this knife right here, and I got it ground down pretty good. A lot of hand sanding. I got me a gouge right there. It's the shoulder, but I was able to grind it out on this side. Not sure what's gonna happen with this one. We're gonna see when I finish it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one and see what's up. It's a little heavier than what your average person would use for a kitchen knife. It's at 80 CRB2. That'll be glued up this weekend sometime, because these are my budget line. Just a little track. Then I got a dagger, ground down to 0. And I need to remember that name of that steel that Pops used. They had it formulated just for them. It's nice steel though. We're gonna see. Hand sanding on this one right here. Haven't decided on the scales yet. I appreciate y'all coming along, man. I missed a little bit of footage, y'all. Try to get better about that kind of stuff right there.